Hey, how is everybody? Lou from RV Habit. Just want to introduce you to my new daily driver and future tow vehicle. It is a 2025 GMC Canyon Denali. And so far I'm loving it. I had to go with a mid-size pickup. As a daily driver around here, you need something that you can get in and out of the parking lots, and big trucks, it just does not work real well. But this is a 2.7 liter i4 turbocharged with a high output, which gives you 310 horsepower with 430 pounds of torque. And I will say it has a lot of get up and go. It is a very peppy truck. But just to show you, it has camera system all the way around the truck. It's a great camera system. You can see the front, the back, the tires, overhead, trailer, everything you need. All LED lights. They're all one light. LED fog lights, and I'll bring you around the other side. So yes, it is a crew cab, 4 doors. On all the fender flares, front and back, they have these lights. These actually light up when you're driving, so people can see it from the side real well. And it's got 20-inch rims, and they're wrapped by 275/60 tires. It has a running boards on each side. This is the one thing I'm not sure I like too much. These running boards, they're nice, but they are very bulky, so there may be a change in the future with that. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or not. They're just too bulky for me. Let's take you around the back. So the bed is 5'2", and the tailgate is a soft open, and it has this storage in the tailgate. You can put a whole bunch of stuff in there, and in addition to that, it comes spray bed line from the factory, tow hooks, and it even has a 110 AC outlet, and it's on. As long as the truck's on, it's on. There's no buttons or anything saying once the truck's on, it's actually working through an inverter. You have one there and actually one in the back seat. Now, one of my favorite things, and the reason I went with this truck, is this Class 3 Hitch. This vehicle has a 7,700 pound towing capacity with a 900 pin tongue weight capacity. Comes with the standard 7-pin and 4-pin outlets. It also has an integrated trailer brake controller, which is fantastic. It also has a super cool trailer app on the Infotainment Center that lets you control the brakes, the lights. It has a checklist, keeps track of your fuel mileage while you're towing. Just real nice. The vehicle also has a 1,357 pound payload capacity. Again, it's on those 275/60 20s. And if you look at the, I'll give you a look at the gross vehicle weight rating and everything. The gross vehicle weight rating is 6,250 on the pounds, and the front axle is 3,500 pounds and the back axle is 3,600 pounds. Let me show you the back seat. And the back seat will fit 2 people comfortably, and it has a cup holder in the center. Nothing crazy, but you can definitely fit 2 adults back there. And the front is nice. It's got 2-tone. It's kind of like a dark brown, blackish leather with all tan leather accents, and a huge computer. The thing I like most, though, is definitely these seats. They are cooled seats, and in Southwest Florida, that is a dream to have basically cold air coming out of the seat. Real nice. That's my favorite feature so far. So here's a little better look inside. Leather wrapped steering wheel, all your adaptive cruise control buttons here, all your buttons. You can actually change your dashboard, radio controls, you know, the normal stuff. And that's the dashboard I have, but you can, I think there's like 6 or 7 other dashboards, plus you can put your Google Maps right there, and that's what's cool. I was happy to have Android Auto, but you don't need it in this car. It comes with Google Maps, and you can put any app you want on the vehicle's Infotainment Center, so that's really good. I'll just quickly just show you some of these cameras. So that's just some. You can see the top. On the right hand side there, you see the front wheels, the front and the left. I can switch it to the back tires to see what the back tires are. Just cameras everywhere, works real well. Normal buttons down here, which I appreciate, that you can control your air condition and your fan speed and everything. And down below you have all windows down, your auto shut off, your hazards, your lane guidance, and they give you an auxiliary button if you want to hook up any accessories. And on top of that, you have the four-wheel drive, and you can go to auto, 2, 4, high or low. And this dial here, you can actually turn this. Watch, you have different driving modes. So that's off-road, tow haul mode, terrain, and back to normal. So you have 4 driving modes too you can adjust to. So overall, real nice. I'm getting used to it. I'm real excited to get it ready to tow, and that'll be in the future. I also have some upgrades I'm going to be doing, so keep an eye out for that. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you soon.